let's update your GMA playlist karong buntaga kay hisgutan ta ang newest single hatod kaninyo sa GMA Music. Let's all welcome this morning Kapuso actress and singer Mikee Quintos. Hi Mikee, we're so glad to have you back sa programa. Kumusta ka na?
Maayong buntag. Okay naman po. Happy nandito po ako ulit sa inyo at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
And we're so happy to have you back once again. And of course, Mikee, maliban sa magaling ka na aktres, ikaw din ay isang talented singer. Kailan ka ba nagsimulang matutong umawit? And sino yung nag-inspire sa'yo?
Nag-umpisa akong kumanta nung mga 6 or 7 years old ako. And then I started playing musical instruments when I was around 10 years old.
And congratulations na dream come true na naman ito for you. Kaya naman, Mikee, gusto naming malaman, sino ba yung mga favorite artist mo, local or international?
My favorite artist right now, I think a lot of my followers would know this, na I'm a big fan of BTS. At yung pagiging fangirl ko sa kanila, yung naghatid na sa akin para mahanap nga yung inspiration ko at motivation ko for this single, which are my fans.
And of course, Mikee, gusto naming malaman, why do you love BTS ba?
I think it's because of that, na watching their story, knowing about them, and yung pinagdaanan nila, yung journey, na-inspire ako na para naparealize nila sa akin na it's not too late naman. Because I think it was timely also na their message was about self-love, about chasing your dreams and not giving up. Tapos, I came across those songs and their whole message to their fans.
Mikee, you're indeed a very talented artist, and we've
Thank you.
learned that you have your newest single under GMA playlist, itong Just Enough. Can you tell us more about this song, Mikee?
Just Enough was really inspired by, like, when I first heard the song, dun ko, na-feel ko at na-remind ako yung definition ko of what love is. Like, yung kalmado lang, yung hindi ka naghahanap pa ng iba. Because it's just enough. So I think dun ko din nakuha yung inspiration ng title. And yun lang yung naisip kong i-dedicate din. Because I really wanted my first single to be for the fans. And I thought it was the perfect song for them din. Because hindi sila napagod, ibigay suporta.
And Mikee, may line ba sa kanta na ikaw ay nakaka-relate personally? Ano ito?
I think it's the last line of the chorus for me talaga yung you love me just how I need to be loved. Yeah, you love me just how I need to be loved.
Nice,
Very simple
nice
and
line.
direct and straight.
And of course, gusto din namin pakinggan kahit chorus ng kanta mo this morning, Mikee, para mas maging exciting pa yung umaga namin.
Oh, this love. I'm never, ever, ever letting go of this love. 'Cause you love me just enough. You love me just how I need to be loved.
Ayan, ang galing naman. Added to our playlist na yan, Mikee. Thank you so much.
Enjoy listening po.
And of course, please invite all our viewers and your fans where can they listen to and download your newest single, Just Enough.
Okay, ayan mga kapuso po natin sa Cebu. Sana po ay ma-download nyo at ma-stream ninyo ang aking kantang Just Enough. It's out now on all streaming platforms like iTunes and Spotify. So please do listen to it and sana po ma-enjoy ninyo and tag me for posts. Thank you!
And finally, Mikee, ano ang maibibigay mo na mensahe sa ating mga viewers and your fans dito sa buong Central and Eastern Visayas?
I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day po and maraming salamat sa oras sa pakikinig sa akin today and sana po ma-enjoy nyo ang pagkinig ng Just Enough. Thank you. God bless po and always take care there. See you soon,
Thank
hopefully.
you. Thank you. And congratulations, Mikey.
Thank you so much.